Hi, my name is Preeti. I'm doing the 1-year post-graduation diploma in special education. So these last 5 days has been a part of my course. What I'd like to say is the course has been incredibly informative. It's been very supportive, especially because we have a mixed set of students. We have a lot of parents who are involved in the workshop. We have therapists, teachers and budding teachers. So it makes it a very interesting combination to, I guess, work with and study with and gain a lot of information basically. But apart from the knowledge and the academic side of things, I'd like to say that we were also able to establish good friendships along the way, which provides us with a very good support system, which is incredibly crucial when we're dealing with children with special needs. So once again, thank you Asian College of Teachers for this opportunity, and I wish you guys all the very best.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.